This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the car and gear. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. This protects electronics. Next, match the head unit size and antenna connector and plug the harness adapter to the factory socket so you avoid cutting factory wires. Once done, lay out wires and identify constant 12V, switch 12V, ground, speaker pairs, and antenna lead. Label them. This early organization saves time during installation and prevents. You now complete the core wiring and mechanical fit. First, join harness to unit. Connect constant 12V, ACC switch 12V, ground, and speakers using crimp or solder. Crimps should be insulated. Then mount the dash cage, feed wires through, and slide the head unit into the slot until it clicks. Secure with screws so it won't vibrate. Make sure the antenna and any steering wheel control adapters are connected. These steps ensure stable power and clean audio signals. You finish by powering up and testing every function. Reconnect the battery negative, then turn the ignition to accessory. Verify the unit boots, radio receive stations, Bluetooth pairs, and each speaker outputs sound. Next, set the clock, radio presets, GPS antenna position, and calibrate the touchscreen. This makes daily use effortless. If something fails, check fuses, confirm the constant versus, switch 12V wiring, and ensure a solid ground. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to the known good ground and retest to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.